Okay. Okay, let's continue, guys. So today we are going to discuss a very important concept. Am I audible to everyone? Can you all see my screen? Am I audible to everyone? Can you all see my screen? Yes. Let's continue. One second, guys. One second. Wait, I'm not talking only. One second. Mm. Okay. Good, guys. I'm feeling better. Okay. Okay. Thank you. How do we take the screenshot of failed test cases? How do we take the screenshot of the failed test cases? Guys, tell me, is it really important to take a screenshot of the failed test cases? Is it important to take the screenshot of the failed test cases? Yes, it's very important to take a screenshot of the failed test cases because screenshot is only one of the proof for the developers to tell that there's a error, there's a bug in the application. Okay, so screenshot is very important to show that there is a bug in the application. Understanding? Clear? So how do we do this? Observe here. Same story. What we have to do? We have WebDriver interface. Takes screenshot is the interface. Get screenshot as is a method. We have to do typecasting from WebDriver to take screenshot interface. Okay, we have to do what? Typecasting from WebDriver to take screenshot interface. Okay, so when you do typecasting from WebDriver to take screenshot interface, we can access a method get screenshot as. Okay, so we have to do typecasting from where to do? We have to do typecasting from WebDriver interface to take screenshot interface. So when you do typecasting, same concept like what we did yesterday. So we can access a method get screenshot as. We can access a method get screenshot as. Understanding? So step number 1, we have to do typecasting. When you do typecasting, we can access the method. Okay, we can access the method get screenshot as. Okay, as soon as we access a method, observe here. As soon as you access a method, once you do typecasting, we can access a method. Once you typecast it, when you can access a method, okay, photo will be taken. Photo will be taken and it will be stored in RAM. Step number 1, what we have to do? The step number 1, we have to do typecasting. Okay, the step number 1, we have to do typecasting. So as soon as you do typecasting, step number 2, we can access a method. Which method? Get screenshot as. We can access a method and photo will be taken. As soon as you call the method, get screenshot as, photo will be taken and it will be stored in RAM. Photo will be taken and it will be stored in RAM. Now tell me, is it possible to open the RAM and look into your photo? Is it possible? Is it possible? Hey, 1 second, guys. Why the people are getting blocked? Why you guys have paid money, right? You guys have paid fees, right? Look at my screen. Fine. Now photo is taken and is stored in RAM. Now I cannot open the RAM and I cannot see, correct? Right? So I'm going to specify the location. I'm going to specify the location where photo should be stored. So step number 1, we have to do typecasting. Step number 2, we can access a method. We can access the method get screenshot as. Photo will be taken and it will be stored in RAM. Photo will be taken and it will be stored in RAM. And we have to specify the location where photo should be stored. We have to specify the location where photo should be stored. Next. Now, where is my photo? Where is it present? Where is it right now? It is in RAM. Somebody should copy paste it, right? Somebody should copy and paste it from RAM to required location. Somebody should copy paste it from RAM to required location. Understanding? Understanding? Somebody should copy paste it from RAM to where? From RAM to the required location. Got it? So what we have to do? Step number 1, we have to do typecasting. Step number 2, we can access a method that is get screenshot as. So as soon as you call the method get screenshot as, photo will be taken, it will be stored in RAM. So we have to specify the location where photo should be stored. Okay, and we have to copy paste the RAM to the required location. Got it? Got it? Copy down this. We'll start writing the program. Copy down this, we'll start writing the program. Don't copy down the steps. Don't copy down the steps because you can copy down along with this. Don't copy down the steps. Steps is not required. Along with the program, you can do it. Okay, please make a note of it. Make a note. Steps to add. Steps to add Apache common.io to the project. Steps to add Apache commons.io 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 to the project. Step number 1, open the browser. Step number 1, open the browser. Type Maven repository. Type, open the browser, type Maven repository. 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 Click on the first link. 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 Type Apache commons.io. Type Apache commons.io. Type Apache commons.io. Type Apache commons.io. Click on search. Type Apache Commons.io. Click on search. Click on the first link. Click on the first link. Click on the first link. Select the version 2.11.0. Select the version 2.11.0. Link is given. You can put it in the group as well. You have to come down to this page. You have to come down to this page. Everybody are in the same page. Just open. Everybody open this page. Look at the navigation steps, and I've given you the URL also. I've given you the URL also. I've given you the URL also. Done? Everybody got it? Everybody are in the same page? Everybody are in same page. Now, click on this jar. Click on this jar 319 KB. Click on this jar 319 KB. Click on this jar. Are you able to see this? Jar 319 KB. Download this. Download this. Just click on it, it will download. Everybody downloaded? Everybody downloaded. Click on it and download it. Done? Downloaded? Okay. 1 second, wait. Let me open my Eclipse. Now, next step. Next step. Once after downloading, once after downloading, go to downloads. Go to downloads. Go to downloads. Copy Apache Commons.io jar. Go to downloads. Go to downloads. Copy Apache Commons.io jar. Go to downloads. Copy Apache Commons.io jar. Okay. Copy Apache Commons.io jar. Copy Apache Commons.io jar and paste it on the project. And paste it on the project. Paste it on the project. Copy Apache jar file and paste it on the project. Paste it on the project. Okay, so everybody copy paste this on the project. Everybody copy paste this on the project. Everybody copy and paste this on the project. Everybody copy paste this on the project. Everybody copy and paste this on the project. Everybody copy this and paste it on the project. Finished? Now, right click on this jar file, build path, add to build path. Right click on that jar file, right click on that jar file, build path, add to build path. Right click on the jar file, build path, add to build path. Everybody added? Everybody added? Everybody added to build path? Okay, that's all. Now let's start writing the program. Look at my screen. Look at my screen. Repeat from beginning. Download, put it on your project, add it to the build path. Download the file. Link is given. Put it in the WhatsApp group. Download the file. Copy paste the file. Build. Add it to the build path. Simple. Now look at my screen, everyone. Look at my screen, everyone. Screenshot. Select the main method. Click on finish. Now I have to start writing the code. Web driver equals to new Chrome driver of. Okay. Driver dot manage dot window dot maximize. Driver dot get. Let me go copy paste the URL of the application. Let me go copy paste the URL of the application. So anything, whichever application photo you want, you can take that application. You can take any application, your wish. Whichever photo you want, you can take that photo. Now let me write it as driver dot manage dot times out dot implicitly wait duration of seconds. Step number 1. Typecasting. Step number 1. Typecasting. Take screenshot. TS is equals to driver. Okay. Step number 1. Typecast. Step number 2. So we can access the method and photo will be stored in RAM. Okay, we can access the method and photo will be stored in RAM. Get screenshot as output type dot file. Let me store it inside one variable. The return type of this is Fine. Okay. Next. Step number 3. Specify the location. Okay. Where photo should be stored. Okay, I have to specify the location where photo should be stored. So let me create an object for the file class and let me give the location. My photo should be stored in my current project. What is my name of my project? What's the name of my project? Selenium Automation 1. What's the name of my project? Selenium Automation 1 is my name of my project. Selenium Automation 1 is the name of my project. So instead of writing complete name, let me make use of dot. Instead of writing the complete name, let me make use of dot. Dot indicates current project. What dot indicates? Dot indicates current Java project. Slash. Slash. Okay, inside my project. It should store, where it should store? It should store inside my project. Current project slash. With one name, give a name for it. I'll give it as Amazon. Dot. Extension of your photo will be PNG. Understood? Inside my project with the name called Amazon, the extension will be .png. Extension will be .png. Step number 4. Copy paste it from RAM to your location. So what you have to do? I need to copy paste it from RAM to my required location. Okay, my photo is stored in the RAM. From the RAM to the required location, I need to copy paste it. Okay, so to do this, we have a class called file utils. Tell me guys, file utils is coming from where? File utils is coming from where? It is coming from Apache Commons.io. It is coming from where? It is coming from Apache Commons.io. So, if you don't download Apache Commons.io, you will not be able to access this class. Are you understanding? If you don't download this, then you would not be able to access this class. Understood? What's the use of we downloading Apache Commons.io? Understood what's the use of we downloading Apache Commons.io? Dot copy file. Copy file from source to your destination. Okay. Now let me erase this. Let me run the program. Let me run the program. Make a note. Steps to see the photo. Make a heading. Steps to see the photo. Steps to see the photo. Steps to see the photo. Steps to make a note. Steps to see the photo. Right click on the project. Right click on the project. Refresh. Right click on the project. Right click on the project. Right click on the project. Refresh. Next. Right click on the photo. Right click on the photo. Open with internal web browser. Right click on the photo. Open with internal web browser. Right click on the photo. Right click on the photo. Open with internal web browser. Right click on the photo. Open with internal web browser. Right click on the photo, open with internal web browser. Right click on it, open with internal web browser. Is a photo is taken. I'll repeat the steps. How do you see the photo? How do you see the photo? Right click, refresh. When you right click, refresh, you'll get this icon. See that? Right click, open with internal web browser. Right click, open with internal web browser. Start writing the code. Start writing the code. First, you make a note the steps in your notebook. Make a note in your notebook, execute the program. Execute the program. I'll give you 5 minutes. Do it faster. Done. Done. Completed. Done. Completed.
Ma'am, can
Done.
you repeat
Complete.
what you said?
One more minute. Okay.
Ma'am, can you repeat third and fourth step? Are you hearing me? Ma'am, please all your
Done. Finished. Everyone. Everybody got the output. Okay. Now, what is this output type? Okay. So when you store, when you yes, when the photo is taken, when the photo is taken, when it's stored in the RAM, when the photo is taken, when it is stored in the RAM, okay, it is in this format. Okay, when the photo is taken, it is stored in the RAM, and this is this format, output type format it is. Okay, when the photo is taken, it is stored in the RAM. It is in this format. It is. Okay. Now, understood screenshot.
Can you repeat third and fourth step?
Understood screenshot. Next.
Please can you explain the steps once?
Next, we are going to discuss about
Excuse me, ma'am.
pop-ups.
Ma'am, steps
Excuse me,
once.
ma'am.
Next, we are going to discuss about what?
Are
Pop-ups.
you hearing me?
So, what is pop-up? What is
Ma'am,
pop-up? Pop-up is nothing but it's a window.
Ma'am, please can you explain the steps once, ma'am?
Pop-up is nothing but
are you hearing me?
it's a window which appears on the screen. So what is a pop-up? Pop-up is nothing but it's a window which appears on the screen. That is called as a pop-up. In pop-up, we have different types. We have alert pop-up. It is also called as JavaScript pop-up. It is also called as confirmation pop-up. Next, we have hidden division pop-up, file upload pop-up, file download pop-up. Next, we have notification pop-up. No, cookies are different. Cookies are different, I'll tell you. Child browser pop-up. Okay, make a note of it. Make a note of it. Start writing. Start writing. Done? Now, let's try to understand one by one. Okay, let's try to understand one by one. Here, as I told you in the chapter 2, identification of elements are very important. Okay, the chapter 2, what is important? Identification of the elements are very important. First, alert. It is also called as conformation. JavaScript executor. Alert, confirmation, JavaScript executor. Okay, so we have alert, confirmation, or JavaScript executor. Okay, now let me show you how it looks like. Let me show it to you how it looks like. Okay, so this is called as your alert pop-up. So it is giving you some alert information. What is this? This is called as your alert pop-up. It is giving you what? Some alert information. Okay, now tell me, can I inspect this pop-up? Can I inspect this pop-up? No. Can I move this pop-up? Can I move this pop-up? No. Okay, now why is the names? What are the characteristics? How do you get to know it's alert pop-up? How do you get to know it's alert pop-up? What are its characteristics? How do you get to know what are its characteristics? We cannot inspect this pop-up. We cannot move this pop-up. Okay, we cannot inspect this pop-up and we cannot move this pop-up. Next, how do we handle? How do we handle this pop-up? We cannot inspect and we cannot move. Then how do we handle this pop-up? Okay. How do we handle this pop-up? First, we have to switch our control. First, we have to switch our control from main page to the pop-up. First, we have to switch the control from the main page to the pop-up. So for that, we have to write driver dot switch to dot alert. Driver dot switch to dot alert. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to switch the control from the page to the frame. We have to switch the control from the page to the frame. So driver dot switch to dot alert. If you want to click on OK, we will use accept method. Okay, if you want to click on cancel, we will use a method called as dismiss, because we cannot inspect it, correct? We cannot inspect it. So there is no index value there. Did I specify any value there? It's a method. Okay, so if first we have to switch our control. First we have to switch our control to that pop-up. Okay, because always alert or confirmation will have only two pop-ups. Okay, always alert or confirmation pop-up will have only two pop-ups. It will have only two pop-ups. Are you understanding? So always it will have only two pop-ups. Okay, it will always have only two pop-ups. So OK or cancel. If you want to click on OK, you have to click on accept. If you want to click on cancel, you have to click on dismiss. Okay, please copy this down. Copy down this. So by this characteristics, you have to identify it. Okay, not by look and feel, by characteristics. You have to apply it. If this is matching, then only it is called as alert pop-up. Alert pop-up will always have OK and cancel button. Alert pop-up will always have OK and cancel buttons. How to differentiate between pop-up and frame? Pop-up frame. When you right click, there is a keyword called frame. Done? Now, look at my screen. So we cannot inspect this, correct, right? We cannot inspect this. We have to click on OK or cancel buttons. Now let me copy this. Let me write the code. Pop-ups. Disk 0. Select a main method. Click on finish. Okay, now so what I need to do first, I need to go and click on this add to cart button. When I click on add to cart button only, I'll get that pop-up. Are you understanding? If I want to get add to cart pop-up, I have to click on this, right click, let me click on inspect. Right click, let me click on inspect. Add to cart. There's a text, add to cart, /button, text function equals to add to cart. Let me copy this. And let me paste it here. Driver dot find element by using XPath, paste the value, dot click. Okay, dot click. So I need to switch the control to alert pop-up. How do I switch the control to alert pop-up? How do you switch the control to alert pop-up? Driver dot switch to dot alert. Driver dot switch dot alert. Okay. If you wanted to click on OK, if you want to click on OK button, how do you click using which method? How do you click? How do you click using which method? Accept. The method called as accept. Now let me click on OK. Is it added? Did you got that message? Item has been added to cart. Did you all got that message? Item has been added to the cart. Okay. Now, if you want to click on cancel button, what will you do? If you want to give cancel button, you have to give a dismiss. It will give a dismiss. Okay. Write the program. Take the application. Wait. Make a note of a scenario. Open the browser, enter the URL of the application. Do this end-to-end scenario. Open the browser, enter the URL of this application, demoapp.skillrite.com, put it in the WhatsApp group as well. Open the browser, enter the URL of the application, mouse over on the course, and select MUnit testing. Mouse over on the course, and select MUnit testing. Mouse over on the course and select MUnit testing. Mouse over on the course and select MUnit testing. Add to cart and click on OK. Add to cart. Click on Add to cart and click on OK. Click on Add to cart, click on OK. Open the application. Mouse over, click on Selenium training. Click on Add to cart and click on OK. Click on OK. Write the program. End-to-end scenario. Write the program. Done? Done? Okay. Next question. Next one. Okay. I wanted to open the browser. I wanted to open the browser. I want to open the browser. Enter the URL of Make My Trip. Okay. Open the browser. Enter the URL of Make My Trip. Now, if I click on this departure, if I click on this departure, I got this pop-up. Correct? If I click on departure, I got this pop-up. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes or no? Okay, if I click on this departure, I've got this pop-up. This is called as calendar pop-up or hidden division pop-up. What it is? Calendar pop-up or hidden division pop-up. Are you understanding what it is? What it is? Calendar pop-up or hidden division pop-up. It's a calendar or hidden division pop-up. Okay, that means when I go click on the departure, I got the pop-up. When I go click on the departure, I got the pop-up. Okay, till I go click on it, I didn't get the pop-up. Okay, when I go click on the departure, I got the pop-up. Else no. Understanding? Okay, now let's start writing the code. Let me create a class. Test 1. Select the main method. Click on finish. Where is that? When I click on it, there is ID locator, departure, departure. Now I'll just write the code. Driver dot find element by using ID, copy paste the value, dot click. Copy paste the value, dot click. Now I have to select one date. Let me right click, let me click on inspect. Because we can easily inspect this. Okay. But when I open the application, will it be on the May only? 1 minute, let me refresh. Okay, it is by default, it is in May. I don't think so, it will be in May by default. Okay, it will be in December by default. Okay, so let me take some date in the December and let me inspect. And date. Text function. Okay, so two dates are there. One is January, one is December. I just wanted to click on December 25th. Okay, Now let me write the code. Driver dot find element by using xpath, paste the value, dot click. So any pop-up which you can inspect, okay? Any pop-up which you can inspect. Are you understanding? Any pop-up which you can inspect, you can handle it by using find element method. Are you understanding? Any pop-up which you can inspect, you can handle it by using find element method. Clear? Clear? Any pop-up which you can inspect, you can handle it by using find element method. Let me run the code. Let me run the code. Oh, one more pop-up is coming. Let's close this. Let's inspect and let's close this as well. Okay, let's inspect this. We have ID locator, or I'll go with this because ID is very big. I have to use contains. So instead of this, I'll go with this. A class equals to close. At the rate class equals to close. Okay, let me run this. Let me write the code. Oh, before this it will come, no? Driver dot find element by using xpath, paste the value, dot click. Now let me run the code. Is it a frame or something? One minute, one minute. It is not a. I just want to check whether it is frame or something. Wait, 1 second, wait. One minute. Hey, where is it not coming? Okay, let me increase the duration. Let me increase the duration. Okay, and also let me run the code. Wait, what happened? Mm-hmm. Let me wait and see whether it is clicking or not. Let's wait internally for 3 seconds. Let's see whether it is waiting or not. Let's see. Wait. Hold on first. Let's see whether it is taking or not. No, it is not closing. Wait, maybe that element is wrong. Let me inspect it. It is not a frame, no switching, nothing doing. Is it a frame? Is it a frame? No. Mm. So it opens the browser, it will closes the pop-up, then it will click on departure, then it will click on the date. Now let me run the code. Oh, okay. You people do this. I'll just check what is happening. Meanwhile, you people do this scenario. Open the browser, open the browser, enter the URL of demo@time.com. 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 Enter username is admin, enter password as manager. Enter username is admin, enter password is manager. Enter username is admin, enter password as manager and click on login. Enter username is admin, enter password as manager, click on login. Enter username is admin, enter password as manager, click on login. Enter username is admin, enter password is manager, click on login. Enter username is admin, enter password is manager, click on login. Click on login. Select the date. Select the date. Click on it, select the date. Start writing the code. Start writing the code. Start writing the code. Start writing the Start writing the code. Start writing the code. Okay, start writing the code. It will work. Make a note of the theory that I'll see. That make my trip why it is not working. I'll see and I'll come back to that. Now look at my screen, everyone. Tell me characteristics of hidden division pop-up. Can I inspect this pop-up? Can I inspect this pop-up? Tell me the characteristics of hidden division pop-up. Can I inspect the pop-up? Okay. Make a note of the characteristics. Characteristics of hidden division or calendar pop-up. We cannot move, but we can inspect. We can handle using find element method. Any pop-up which you can inspect, you can handle using find element method. Any pop-up which you can inspect, we can handle it by using find element method. Okay, any pop-up which you can inspect, we can handle it by using find element method. Do that and do that assignment. Start doing it. There's no other logic. There is no other logic. You have to just inspect. Start writing the code. Ankita, URLs already shared in the broadcast. URLs are shared in the broadcast. Please put it in the groups. Keep anybody, please put it in a post it in the groups. If you're not able to copy paste it. So everybody understood. Today we discuss screenshot, alert, pop-up, hidden division. Okay. Remaining we will do it tomorrow. Okay. Remaining we'll do it tomorrow. Everybody understood? Everybody understood? Code is pushed. Yes, yes, Abhinav. Please tell me what is your doubt? Hello, Abhinav. Please tell me.
Yeah, ma'am. I have doubt about screenshot on third and fourth step.
Third and fourth step. Tell me what
Can
happened.
you explain that one more time?
Okay, one second. See here. When you call the method, photo will be taken. Okay. When you call this method, photo will be taken and it will be stored automatically in a RAM. So RAM is a temporary location, correct? If I cannot open my RAM and I cannot see where is the photo, isn't it?
Yes.
I cannot open my RAM and I cannot see where is my photo is, correct, right? Now, I have to give one location to store my photo. Okay, I have to give one location to store my photo. So this is a location I've given. Okay, this is a location. So instead of writing Selenium automation 1, that indicates dot. Dot indicates is a shortcut for project. Okay, dot indicates it's a shortcut for project. Selenium automation 1 / name. We have to give a name for that. Okay, I've given this Amazon. Extension is .png. That's the reason when the photo is taken, it will be Amazon dot extension will be PNG. Clear?
We can give
Line
on
number this one.
We can give on desktop also.
Yeah, you can keep it wherever you want. You can give that location. Whichever location you give, it will go and store it in that particular location.
So dot will be location for this one desktop also.
Right click properties, copy the path and give this. Yes, you have to copy the path, whichever location you want, you can store. But in the real time, we have to keep that photos in an organized fashion. So we will not, you can keep, I'm not telling you cannot, but we will not keep it in the desktop or C drive, D drive. We don't keep that things because maintenance will be difficult. Now, for example, I want to see the screenshot of the failed test cases. I cannot go to somewhere in the desktop. I cannot go somewhere else and I cannot see that. Correct, right? Everything will be there. Everything should be there in the project itself. Everything should be there in the project itself. So we are going to maintain it in the project. Okay. Now, already I want to store it in this location. This is my location where I've given where it should come and store. Okay, but we should copy paste it. Okay, because it is already there in the RAM. Somebody should copy paste it from RAM to the whichever location we wanted. That job is done by fileutils.copy file. I'm copying the photo which is captured in the RAM and I'm pasting into the my required location.
So how this one will become file utils?
File utils is a class. How it will come means? I don't understand your question.
We need to write, we need to come on that one. You told me that one comes from Maven project.
Not Maven project. This belongs to Apache Commons.io. This class belongs to, I didn't tell Maven project. I told this class belongs to Apache Commons.io. If you have downloaded Apache Commons.io only, you can access this class. Else, you cannot touch this. You cannot access this class.
Okay, thanks. And I have doubt about that one also. 1 minute.
Which
ma'am.
one?
Ma'am, I have a doubt regarding a scroll bar.
Mm-hmm.
Ma'am, how can we handle one screen having two scroll bar in y-axis, and suppose in this Selenium browser we having scroll in side section also, then how can we handle this scroll bar?
Can you tell me where Selenium? Which page?
Ma'am, this screen also just
Which screen? Tell me the
ma'am,
URL.
okay, wait, I'm sending.
Tell me. Don't send me anything. Tell me the application.
Snapdeal. I have used the Snapdeal. So in the y-axis and x-axis, I can see a scroll bar.
Let me go to Snapdeal. Where is this?
Can you just scroll down a little bit?
Mm.
Okay, there you can see there that right arrow.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, there is a scroll.
This is not scroll. It is not scrolling. Here we have to just clicking on it. Here. What is an action we are doing? Listen. Here I need to click on it. When I click on it, it is scrolling. So this action is click here, not JavaScript executor. When I click on it, it is scrolling automatically. The action is click here, not scrolling. Scrolling means if I do like this, if I take my cursor and move, then only it will scroll. So this is your scroll. This is your scroll. This is your scroll. This is your click.
Okay, then here one click moves little bit. So if I want to double click, I have to write the code 2 times?
No double click. You have to put a loop and you have to do how many looping statement for loop.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, looping statements.
Ma'am, I have doubt about frame.
Tell me, man, what frame?
Can you open Twitter account, twitter.com?
If I want you to go inside, you have to give me your username and password. If you want me to go inside, you have to give me the credentials. Yes.
When I click on sign in with Google,
Where is it? Sign in with the Google. Okay.
then no such frame exception coming, ma'am.
Because it is not a frame. We have written a code for a frame. It's the reason it is coming no such a this one. It is not a frame.
1 minute, ma'am.
It is not a frame. See here. It is not a frame. I guess you have written the code to switch the frame.
One second, ma'am.
Next person.
Hello, ma'am. Ma'am, I am not able to download any notes from GitHub, ma'am.
Everybody
It's
is
only-
able to how many? You only view it. That's all.
No, ma'am. Notes, ma'am. Not code.
No,
It's
you click on view.
not
document.
visible to me.
You open the file.
Yes, ma'am. I clicked on raw and download also, ma'am.
It should download, man. Open it. Search in a different browser.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I sended the URL and user ID and password. I am facing in y-axis. I am having two scroll, but I am not able to access the second scroll. Can you please explain how to handle both scroll?
No, email is invalid. It is telling.
Ma'am, can you put v admin v? Yes.
It's not logging in.
What
Give
happened?
me your email address, bro.
From my side, it is login. I'm able to log in. Can you
Now
remove one? Ma'am, please remove v from admin@vinfotech.com.
No, ma, give me proper email address.
Excuse me, ma'am. This side Abhinav.
Mm.
Can you go on Twitter account?
Mm.
When I click on right click on sign in with Google,
Mm.
right click. This one is frame, ma'am.
Yeah, this is a frame, correct. You have to
Yeah,
switch
but
to the
this
frame. You have to, one second. You have to switch the frame only to click on sign in with Google. You have to switch to the frame only to click sign in with the Google. If you wanted to click on only that, you have to switch the frame. For example, if you want to sign with the Apple, then you cannot switch the frame because this is a normal click. This is not a frame. Only
Yeah,
this
this is not a
box is
frame.
acting like. Yes, this is not a frame. Where is this icon? Frame. Frame.
But this one is frame,
This is not a
ma'am.
frame.
Sign in with Google is frame.
You sign in with this Google with a frame. So if you want to
But I
click
have
on
ri-
sign in with the Google, well,
I have
listen, man.
written.
If you wanted to click on sign in Google, then only you have to switch the frame and click on sign with the Google.
I have written program, but this one is not clicking on this one. This exception is coming.
What exception?
No frame exception coming. No such frame exception.
Give little bit delay, man. Give little bit delay, and write it down. Use thread.sleep.
Okay, I will check.
Use
Then I
little
will.
bit elaborate. Use thread.sleep and use it. Still, you're facing issue. We'll discuss it tomorrow.
And one more doubt. When I clear ICICIbank.com, you told me right click and inspect for this one. For username.
Wait. ICICI.com. Okay.
Bank.com. ICICIbank.com.
Bank. Bank.com. What should I
You
do
told
here?
me on such bank cases, right click is not applicable. And when I
Why
inspect
right click is applicable?
for login.
Right click inspect anywhere. Right click inspect anywhere. Take this arrow mark.
Yeah,
Then
I have
keep it on
taken that.
login.
Yeah, I have taken that one, but this one is coming. Element not interactable exception occurred.
Give a little bit delay. Implicit veil increase it, or use JavaScript click for clicking it. That's all. Use JavaScript click. I've thought yesterday. No, use that.
For username also click send keys, ma'am. For username. For username, this one not click, na. This one is send keys.
Click login is click, no.
Login is
click, no. How do you send keys?
Login is click, ma'am, but the username is not send keys.
Username is send keys only, no.
But this one is coming for username.
Hey, one second. Let me put on my charger, otherwise my system will get down. Give me 1 minute. Give me 1 minute. Give me 1 minute of time.